2016 at the Ploughing Championships again. It's great to see so many people. It's great to see so many of our graduates, and it's great to see UCD being front and centre in agriculture again. We're showing off the pride of UCD in agriculture and food science. 2016 is an important year in Ireland, and it's allowed us to look back at our history in the School of Agriculture and Food Science, and in fact we go back 178 years now to our roots in Glasnevin.
President of the Agriculture and Science Association. It's an association for ag science graduates. We've 1,700 members now representing all facets of the industry. A big theme of my presidency, I hope, will be collaboration, and I think the ASA is uniquely placed to provide a platform for networking, knowledge sharing, discussion, debates. I love my time in UCD. I really got involved when I was there. I would have been involved in the Ag Stock Society. I would have been involved in Sarah's magazine, and I really enjoyed it. My friends, my colleagues, my peers are people I went to college with, and it's really good for early networking. I had a great time there.
So in Fit for Health Ireland, we're doing a lot of research basically into dairy products. So we look at a whole range of different things. We're particularly focused on bioactive peptides, so basically mining milk for compounds that do different things in the body. So one of the things that happens when we're diagnosed with high cholesterol is the first thing the doctor will say to you is you need to reduce your high-fat dairy consumption. What we're actually finding, most recent research suggests that cheese in fact won't raise your LDL cholesterol in the same way as other high-fat dairy products can. So it's really interesting, and we're basically looking for healthy over 50s to take part in a study to demonstrate this within Irish cheese.
I really enjoyed my time studying horticulture at UCD, and the facilities in UCD are great to learn about all aspects of horticulture. There's an orchard for pomology, there's a golf green for sports turf management, there's greenhouses for protected crop production as well. So you get a wide range of different modules and subjects to cover horticulture, and you get the broadest outlook of the whole industry that you're going into when you graduate.
Is Ireland's global university, so we're always encouraged to go abroad and overseas and broaden your horizons, and I was so lucky that I was fortunate to go, and I think it's changed me, and it's definitely diversified my CV. I know something that other students might not have, and it makes career opportunities a lot easier to come.